What's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. This week, I'm going to be showing pretty much what happened, with US 30 and Nasdaq. Pretty much some stocks were pretty much melting since Thursday last week. And it's been like 3 days already. Let me go on a daily time frame. I'm checking right now, checking US 30. You can see, well, 2 days for US 30. Let's see, on the 16th, today was just stopping right there. The daily, this candle that is just starting actually for today. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm just going to show you my analysis, see what I think. I was not able to trade today, like very early in the morning. I was not able to catch a nice drop from, oh, look at this, look at this price, how it was melting. Literally, it was about like 1,000 pips, 1,000 points, 1,300. Yeah, my God, look at that. 1,300 points on US 30 in the last 2 days, basically. So now look what's happening at the moment. I was able to catch when I got on my computer because I was a little busy. I was doing some other things. When I got on the computer, the price was pretty much somewhere around here, dropping. So I didn't want it to go on a sale. I didn't think the price was going to reach this low, but it did. I was just waiting for the price to start retracing, like doing the actual pullback. And so I was just seeing like everywhere. I was just seeing in 1 hour, you're seeing red candles everywhere until it started to see this nice pullback. It started to break the structures right here, started to do some type of reversal. And so I started to see this engulfing candle. So I was like, okay, this could be a sign the price might be actually slowing down right here and then might start to do the pullback. So what I think it might do for US 30 after your price started to push up and breaking this structure. I went on 15-minute, even 5-minute, and you see this little zone right here. So I started to see the breakout and I got in there. I just took the risk. I got in there as soon as I saw the candle breaking above, put my stop loss below here. Let's see what's going to happen. I draw that trend line from the very top. If it breaks it above, I'm pretty sure the price is going to continue to the upside. So now look what's happening on a 4-hour. Look at that massive drop, like it's vertical. It's completely vertical. So after a massive drop like this, I'm pretty sure, and this is what I was looking when the price was somewhere around here. I wanted to wait for a buy. Like I'd rather buy on Nasdaq or US 30. I'd rather find or look for buys than sales. I don't know. I don't like selling on Nasdaq or US 30. So I was just waiting patiently for the price to stop at some point. You know, at some point the price has to stop. Like you see this massive drop right here, the same thing. So I believe the price it will do some kind of like the same at this point. If the price wants to hold like at this zone, if the price wants to stop right there, because this is a very confluent zone, it's a very strong zone right there. So look what happened. Look at this drop right here, this same movement, kind of like the same, very vertical movement, and then big engulfing candle and then consolidate. So I was able to get in on an early buy, really early buy, before even breaking that trend to the upside, right? I got in here, which is this is what I was looking for. So I'm going to be maybe closing some profits somewhere around here as well, because the price could do the same, kind of like the same in the past. Where was it? Yeah, right there. And this massive drop, in fact, it was not that fast. Like if you look at it, at least the price had some consolidation here for a few hours. The same thing here. But look at this here. It was just like a bullet. It barely did some, slow down. So I think the pullback, it's going to be really nice. Tomorrow, we could have a correction somewhere around there. I definitely hope, just by seeing this like this, the price could at least reach this zone right there. So I could definitely be closing. Most likely, by the time the price reaches this point, I'm going to be on break even. I'm going to definitely be on break even, and then letting that thing run to the upside. But this is how it's looking at the moment. It's kind of, just wanted to break that there. So I have my alerts pretty much. I'm going to put my alert somewhere around here. I have another alert, I don't know, maybe somewhere around there. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see what it does. This is the US30. Now let's see what the Nasdaq. Same thing happened, like massive. Let me go on 4 hours so we can see it clearly. Right there. Oh, this is what I was waiting. The price, let me go on a daily. Look what's happening there. So the price tried today, you see 3 candles. From the last 3 days, the price was melting all the way down. So let's see what's going to happen. Still on a zone, on a very delicate zone, that the price could still actually continue to the downside. But look at this big wick rejection. You see the size of the wick? I'm not sure if you can see it there, but the wick went all the way down here. So, and then retraced, and then stop right there. The body of the candle stopped actually right here. So that's making me think, okay, this zone is very strong. And the price was just maybe, doing a pullback, kind of like this movement. The candle was piercing right here. This was the same thing and retraced back. So I think the price might actually start looking to buy. Like this next 21 hours from this candle, I believe the price should push up. But we're still here in this zone. So it's kind of like, hey, be careful. If I go to 4 hour, you see how nicely this 4 hour candle closed. It's on an engulfing candle. So this is giving me a little confidence in there. Plus, I'm seeing the breakout already. Let me go on a 1 hour. I think it looks much clearer. Yes, so it's definitely a breakout now to the upside. Entire body of the candle closing above. But you see this dojis right here? You see these 2 dojis right here? The price is indecisive. Still is indecisive. And most likely it's going to be like that for the next few hours. Maybe by the time the London session opens, maybe the price is going to start to push up, maybe, or even drop. Okay, this could actually be doing just a pullback, and it will do a retest. So it could be doing a retest, in fact, and then drop. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm just following my price action regarding this trend, and the same thing, that I'm seeing. Like after a massive drop like this, you see this nice engulfing candle. So to me, this is a sign of that the price is slowing down, and now should do either a pullback if it wants to continue down. Like, we have to see. Let's see, in fact, by using the Fibonacci from the top right here to this bottom. So we see at the moment the price is like reaching the 38.20. So to me, this can easily actually start melting. 1 second there. Yeah, to me, the price could, at this point, have some type of reaction and maybe continue down if that's what the price wants. I was watching some news regarding the Nasdaq and the US30, like the reason why it was falling so hard. It looks like there's something, with this virus thing. So it was messing up the markets. But let's see, let's see if it's going to make the correction. I trust in a daily candle that closed, this big rejection right there. I am still trusting this big wick. And I'm looking forward, for the price to continue pushing up. But if it doesn't, if it comes down, that's it. That's a lost trade. Like, I'm not going to cry. I know and I'm aware that that could happen. So I'm going to be setting my alerts, let's say somewhere around there. Maybe putting some alerts around there. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm just going to keep an eye as well on those. I hope that this price can definitely actually continue pushing to at least this zone right there. This is a little too far, but I'll be happy if it reaches this point. I'll be definitely happy. So that's what happened. That's what's up with Nasdaq in US30 after this massive drops and this type of correction. Let's see once again on a daily. So 1, 2, 3 candles. Well, what happened here? It also broke. In fact, let's see. This is what concerns me. Like when I see it on the RSI, the breakout of the trend, right here is not broken yet, but here it is looking like this, broken. So this concerns me a little bit because look what happened. Same thing here. The price broke. When I draw on the RSI, the price broke the trend line right here, and the price look at the difference. The price was breaking the trend line by the time the price was right here. Like the chart is showing the market is right here, but look on the RSI, it's already broken. The trend is already broken. So it was giving me an alert, an early alert that the price will continue dropping. So it did drop, it did broke the structure and came down. So right here, it kind of like happened. It's kind of like the same thing, you know? So I'm a little concerned that the price could actually come down. I still believe that there is a very big possibility the price could still continue its way down because of just because of the RSI. I hope I'm wrong, and let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. I hope I'm wrong with this, but you'll see tomorrow. I might be sending another video, making another video for tomorrow, but you'll see what I mean right here. See what I mean here? And kind of like repeating the same thing here. So I hope I'm wrong. I will make a video for tomorrow. Let's see what's going to happen right there. Okay, so most likely I might be losing that trade. Anyways, if it breaks, I could be looking maybe for a sell, but you know me, like I'd rather go buying. If it's selling, I'd rather wait for the price to start retracing and getting for buys. I don't like selling on Nasdaq or US30. Let's see what's going to happen there, guys. So I think that will be all for today. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe if you're new on the channel. Please follow me on Telegram. I public pretty much all this analysis every single day. As soon as I wake up at around 5 a.m. in the morning. Sometimes I might be sending some other analysis for pairs, sometimes for gold as well, for German 30th. I love indices. So you will see a lot of this pretty much every day. So that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Take it easy. See you in the next episode.